Your boy come out here, you know how it is. This is the Note 7. I just got the Note 7 in, so it's a real quick video for who has the latest update on Android with the Samsung. Like basically Samsung, you got S7 Edge, you got a Note 7. This is what's happening. A quick tutorial on the music player issue we got. When I just got my phone, I couldn't find a music player, but guess what? You know, I figure a way I can get my stop music player back and the video player. So all you got to do is, real quick, nothing too major. You know, ain't no upgrades or anything. So what we're going to do, you're going to go in the Samsung store. That's where you find everything. All you got to do is go in the damn Samsung store. You go in there and you search. You're going to go to the phone. When you go to the phone option, you're going to search music. When you search music, you're going to see it's going to be right there. Like, boom, it's right there. All you got to do is download it. The same with the video player. Whoever got issues with the video player, the music player, whatever app it is, all you got to do is just go in the Samsung store and just search for whatever it is and download it. Check you out. Mac the Real. I'm out.